Hey friends, welcome back to Home Decor 101. So if you've been scrolling through Pinterest or TikTok lately, you've probably seen those cozy, luxurious holiday setups filled with plaid blankets, roaring fireplaces, and just the right amount of sparkle. That, my friends, is what's being called the Ralph Lauren Christmas. In today's video, we're diving into this timeless holiday trend, what it is, how to spot it, and why it's taking over the internet, and of course, how you can bring that same sophisticated warmth into your own home, even on a budget. So grab a cup of cocoa, settle in by the fireplace, and let's unwrap the magic of the Ralph Lauren Christmas. So let's start with asking the obvious question. What is the Ralph Lauren Christmas? At its heart, the Ralph Lauren Christmas look is all about classic American luxury, a style that mixes timeless tradition with that cozy lived-in warmth. Think old money elegance meets mountain lodge retreats. It's inspired by Ralph Lauren's signature design approach, tailored sophistication, rich layers, and textures that really evoke nostalgia. So picture leather armchairs, tartan throws, equestrian art, mahogany furniture, and brass accents, all grounded in deep, moody colors and warm candlelight. This isn't about being flashy or trendy, it's about timelessness. It's that effortless sense of luxury that feels as if it's always been there, like stepping into a cozy family estate at Christmas. So now let's move to how to identify the Ralph Lauren Christmas look. So how do you spot a Ralph Lauren Christmas room when you see one? Here are a few telltale signs. Number 1, classic patterns. The most defining element, plaid. Especially tartans in red, green, navy, and black watch patterns. You'll see them on blankets, throw pillows, ribbons, and even tablecloths. Houndstooth, tweed, and herringbone are also signature patterns that add really preppy sophistication. Number 2, rich materials. Expect to see luxurious textures like velvet, wool, leather, cashmere, and heavy cotton. These add depth and warmth, perfect for cozy holiday settings. Number 3, a moody layered palette. Think deep forest greens, cranberry reds, navy blues, rich browns, and hints of gold or brass. It's a color scheme that feels both regal and comforting. Number 4, vintage touches. From antique books to brass candlesticks, riding boots by the door, and framed black and white family photos, the Ralph Lauren Christmas embraces nostalgia and heritage. So here's the question. Why is it taking the internet by storm? Why is this look suddenly everywhere with everyone talking about it? After years of minimalism and all-white interiors, people are craving warmth, depth, and personality again. The Ralph Lauren Christmas feels like a response to that. It's inviting, grounded, and deeply human. It's about creating a holiday atmosphere that feels like home instead of sterile perfection. It's layered and meaningful. Each piece tells a story. A vintage plaid blanket that's been passed down, a mix of ornaments collected over time, and those cozy nooks that make you just want to curl up with a book. In a world that moves fast and just feels so digital, this style feels real. It brings us back to a slower, more intentional way of celebrating. So let's talk about the color palette and patterns. To capture this look, here's your go-to palette. Deep hunter green, cranberry red, navy blue, chocolate brown with accents of gold or brass or even some antique silver in there. So you're gonna layer these with patterns like a tartan plaid, which it can be like red or green based, houndstooth or houndstooth check, herringbone wool textures, and argyle knits or throws. These colors and patterns bring depth and coziness, instantly creating that heritage holiday feel. So let's focus on how to create the look at home, even on a budget. Start with textiles, so add plaid throws, tartan pillows, and layered blankets to your sofa or your bed. You can find beautiful options at affordable stores or even thrift shops. Number 2, incorporate warm lighting. Swap out bright white bulbs for warm toned ones and scatter candles, lanterns, or even battery-operated flameless candles around the room. Number 3, add touches of leather or brass. A vintage tray, a brass lamp, or even leather-bound books instantly elevate the look. Number 4, bring in nature. Pine cones, evergreen garlands, and sprigs of holly or cedar create a fresh, organic contrast to all the rich fabrics. Number 5, layer your space. So stack books, add trays, and mix textures. The key is to make the room feel collected, not styled. Even though I love home decor, the key is to make it not look like you've had an interior designer create this space for you. You want it to feel authentic. Number 6, set a classic table. Use plaid napkins, gold flatware, and crystal glassware to achieve that upscale holiday look without going overboard. Number 7, DIY decor. So if you're crafty, you can wrap gifts in plaid fabric or make your own tartan ribbon bows for wreaths and trees. It's a really beautiful way to personalize your space. Remember, the goal is not to copy Ralph Lauren exactly. It's to channel that feeling of timeless sophistication and comfort. The Ralph Lauren Christmas aesthetic isn't just about the look. It's about the feeling. It's cozy yet elegant, traditional yet alive. It celebrates craftsmanship, nostalgia, and that warm glow that makes the holidays feel special. So whether you're decorating a large home or a small apartment, it doesn't matter. You can capture this look with a few thoughtful touches. Start with a really rich color palette. Add layers of texture, and don't forget those little details that make it you. If you enjoyed this video and found it inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and to tap that notification bell for more home decor inspiration. And be sure to check the description box below for curated Ralph Lauren inspired pieces that I've handpicked just for you, all available on Amazon. Until next time, stay cozy, stay creative, and have a truly beautiful holiday season.